Okay, nice.
That was pretty fast.
Yeah. Short.
Pretty short. Oh, did you see my tweet? Ehe means a marriage in German.
Huh?
E-H-E. You always laugh like right?
What?
And you type it out like E-H-E. It means marriage in
It means
German.
marriage?
Yeah.
The security code, but the vault
So every time you laugh, you say,
I am going to
basically,
need you to
marry me,
activate the
Kiwawa.
manual
Really?
vault door itself.
Wait.
Oh, I told it that. I told it today then. Yeah, but you also laugh like
So when I say like mommy kiwawa, so
I mean, yeah, that basically just says mommy kiwawa marriage. It's not marry me. If you want to say marry me, then it's if you want to say marry me, it's heirate mich. It's a bit more difficult.
Heirate me.
Yeah, heirate mich. Heirate mich.
Heirate me. Heirate me.
Yeah, good,
Like
good
that?
pronunciation.
Heirate
Pretty
me.
good. Heirate mich. Yeah.
Heirate me.
But I cannot. No, sorry, because you are my child.
Yeah,
I
we
cannot marry you.
cannot no marry. Yeah.